I look a mess, but hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for watching this video and subscribe to my channel and like the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my human hair braids. I usually post it on my TikTok all the time, just showing y'all like a 60-second or 30-second video, but I'm gonna do a full video today. You guys see my hair right now, it's crazy. My girl just washed it, and we're just gonna go from there. You know I don't really like doing a super long intro, so let's get into the video. Done with the braid down. Now what y'all gonna see me do is sew those two braids that y'all seen in the back. I'm gonna sew them one this way and one this way, so that way it's a cleaner and smoother bottom, and then we'll go ahead and start the install. Gonna go ahead and start the install now. But yeah, you definitely want to have some needle and thread handy, especially if your hair is pretty long when you're doing this process, because you don't want them just hanging out, and it can make it come out faster too. So I usually keep mine in for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. When I'm doing the human hair ones, I keep them in for about 3 weeks. So I did go ahead and wash these. I let them air dry, and once I install them, I'm going to brush them out, and then I'm going to re-wet it and put some like mousse or something on it so it can stay together. So the first one, hook it on, keep it, pull it out. Boom, already got one. One's already in there. There we go. Do the second one. I'm just gonna repeat this step all around it. Alright, you guys, so this is a finished product. I didn't do my edges yet, but you know I'll do the little styles at the end of the video. But this is the finished product. They look like they're individuals, but they not. Back. These are cornrows. So just make sure when you're doing this style that you fill the braids up. I'll be right back with my little style. Alright y'all, so I'm like hella late, but this is the style. This is how it looks after everything is put together. I did my edges and everything like that. I'm currently out right now because my girl has taken me out for my birthday. But I just wanted to show you guys the style of the hair and the way I did it. And remember, these are crochets as y'all seen. So if you don't mind the back showing, I mean, I really don't care for people to know if it's crochet or not, but I would say definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. The style is so cute. So if you want this hair, link is going to be in bio.